Welcome to Oilfield Inside TV. Today's topic is understanding how downhole drill string vibration occurs. 9 different kinds of trouble we call vibration mechanisms. The first one, called the stick slip, is irregular drill string rotation. The vibration mode is torsional as the bit stops rotating momentarily at regular intervals, causing the strings to periodically torque up and then spin free at 2 to 15 times the average surface RPM, causing severe damage to the bit and BHA. The second mechanism is called bit bounce. It's the axial or longitudinal vibration of the drill string that typically happens with 3 cone bits in the hard rock formations. Bit bounce damages the drill bit cutting structure, bearing and seals, and resulting in flexing of the drill string, causing even more damage from axial and lateral shocks. Next is bit whirl. It occurs when the bit has cut itself a hole larger than its own diameter, allowing it to wander around in the wellbore instead of simply rotating around its natural center. Excessive side cutting creates an overgauge hole that in turn increases the tendency for the bit and BHA to continue whirling. Number 4 mechanism is BHA whirl. The eccentric rotation of the BHA around a point other than its geometric center in a complex motion, generating lateral displacement, shocks, and increased friction against the wellbore, occurring as forward or backward whirl. It's the mechanism that constitutes the main cause of the BHA and downhole tool failure. Next, lateral shocks describes what happens when the vibration mechanism of bit bounce, BHA whirl, or modal coupling becomes so extreme they cause the release of energy build-up in the drill string through sudden large lateral shocks impacts, unlike BHA whirl where the motion settles to a steady state. In this case, the lateral shock occurs randomly. Torsional resonance is specifically drill collar torsional resonance and causes a juddering vibration of the drill string. It typically occurs in very hard rock being drilled with a PDC bit. Parametric resonance is our name for the several lateral vibrations generated by axial vibrations caused by the interaction of the bit with the formation, which results in fluctuation of weight on the bit. Bit chatter is the high frequency lateral and torsional vibration of the bit, and BHA caused by slightly eccentric bit rotation where there is cutter interference with the bottom hole cutting pattern. These cutters ride up onto the ridge between previously cut grooves and then drop back into the groove. Modal coupling describes vibration occurring in all three modes, axial, torsional, and lateral simultaneously. It creates axial and torsional oscillations and high lateral shocks along the BHA. The most extreme form of vibration is it usually results from failing to control one of the vibration mechanisms. Thanks for watching.